Here are the 4 best 50 pint dehumidifier. So let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. HOMELabs 4500 square feet Energy Star Dehumidifier. The HOMELabs 2500 square feet 50 pint dehumidifier, also known as HOMELabs HME020006N, has it all in its affordable price. Its Energy Star certification promises power efficiency. This product works best in between 1500 and 3000 square feet with room temperature from 41°F to 95°F. Also, it has a custom humidity levels from 35% to 85%. It has a water tank capacity of 1.6 gallons, and it automatically shuts down to prevent overflow once the tank reaches its capacity. Furthermore, it has a 24-hour timer and an auto restart function to turn on the dehumidifier back on after time of the power out. Number 2. TOSOT 35 pint 3000 square feet dehumidifier. Second in the line came the TOSOT 3000 square feet dehumidifier with pump, or TST NDHM 45WHTP. It's power efficient, quiet, has a built-in pump and covers a large space. It looks like an expensive air conditioner. While it weighs 48 pounds, which isn't the most lightweight, you won't struggle with it thanks to its caster wheels. Moreover, its swivel handle and slip-resistant baffles for the 2-gallon volume tank facilitate removing it. The Energy Star certification ensures the power it consumes never goes to waste, and you can utilize its power in areas between 3000 to 4500 square feet. Number 3. Keystone 35 pint dehumidifier. The Keystone 50 pint portable dehumidifier, also known as Keystone KSTAB50B, is here to impress with its portability that doesn't conflict with its performance. Plus, the 5-year warranty on sealed items isn't so bad either. Weighing only 36.3 pounds, the Keystone KSTAB50B is one of the most lightweight 50 pint dehumidifiers I've found, enabling you to change the placement of the dehumidifier however you like. As if you needed any more help, the Keystone KSTAB50B also has 4 durable rolling casters that make moving the 50 pin dehumidifier a breeze, and so is the setup. I tested the affordable standard version, but Keystone does offer an Energy Star certified version too. Number 4. Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier. The Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier with effortless humidity control had to be included. I also appreciate the 5-year warranty on the sealed item. The Frigidaire FFAD5033R1 is one of the most modern looking electrical appliance I found. Not only does it take 50 pints of moisture per day out of the air, but also protects you from the evil of sickness. As with any humidifier worth your time, it has caster wheels and handles to make moving it around hassle-free. It is also very easy to set up. The Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier is good for rooms up to 800 square feet and temperatures as low as 41°F.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.